Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to 1Password for families easy tutorial step by step clearly. On the home page, look for the families option in the menu. Click on the families option to be directed to the family plans. You will see an overview of the features and pricing. Select the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. Next, you will be prompted to choose a plan. Select the plan that suits your family's needs. After selecting your plan, click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Then, create a strong master password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your master password by entering it again. Once done, click on Create Account. You will receive a verification email at the address you provided. Open your email and look for the verification message from 1Password. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the 1Password website. You may be prompted to log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you'll see options to invite family members. Enter the email addresses of each family member you want to invite. Customize the invitation message if needed. Send out the invitations by clicking on the Send Invitations button. Family members will receive an invitation email to join 1Password. They should check their inbox and click the link to accept. After they accept, they can set up their accounts. Once everyone is set up, you can start managing passwords as a family. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.